Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off mouse acceleration in your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, I'm going to show you two methods for it. So the first method is to go to your search and search for settings and open up settings. Then from the left hand menu, just go to Bluetooth and devices. From here, just go to mouse. And from mouse, make sure the enhanced pointer precision is turned off. If you turn this off, your mouse acceleration will turn off. After that, just close this. That was the first way. And now for the second way. For the second way, just go to your search again. In here, type control, and in the best matches, you'll find control panel. Just open that. And after that, make sure your view by is set to small icons. And then just search for mouse here and click on it. And after that, make sure to go to the third tab, pointer options. And from here, make sure to disable this, disable the enhanced pointer precision. Click on apply, click on OK. And that's basically it. And that is how to turn off mouse acceleration in your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.